Since 1985, ChildFund, a child-focused international development organization, has been operating in Sierra Leone to connect children with the people, resources and institutions they need to grow up healthy, educated, skilled and safe. Delivered through 3 core partner organizations operating in 4 districts, our programs address the underlying conditions that prevent any child or youth from achieving their full potential. In our previous strategy 2019 to 2021, we reached over 800,000 children and family members directly every year with programs on early childhood development, education, health and nutrition, child protection, advocacy, household economic strengthening, water sanitation and hygiene, food security, emergency response, climate change and resilience building. In our new 5-year strategic plan 2022 to 2026, our goal is to contribute to the improved health, education, skills and safety of 2.5 million children, youth and their families annually by implementing quality, cost-effective and impactful programs and sponsorship. We intend to raise over $15.8 million to implement this plan. We will achieve this goal through the following objectives: improve learning and health outcomes for children under 5 years and economic empowerment of parents and caregivers. Ensure children who experience deprivation, exclusion and vulnerability access and transition to quality and inclusive education in safe learning environments at pre-primary, primary and secondary school levels. Improve the capacity of adolescents and youth to take leadership and decision-making roles in their communities. Promote policy and legal frameworks to enhance the well-being of children and families experiencing deprivation, exclusion, and vulnerability. Overall, we will focus on family and economic empowerment, early childhood development, quality education and protection for children, especially girls, youth engagement and leadership, sexual reproductive health and rights for adolescents and youth as our priority interventions while mainstreaming child protection, gender equality, advocacy, COVID-19 response and recovery, disaster risk reduction, environmental stewardship, and climate change adaptation to tackle various socio-economic challenges affecting children, youth, and their families in our country. Working with our 3 core partners, Daindemben Federation, Munafam Pati Federation, and Domake Federation, we will continue to implement subsidy and grant-funded projects in 4 districts: Falaba, Koinadugu, Bombali, and Kailaun. Thanks to the support these partners have received from ChildFund over the years, they are now strong enough to operate beyond their current operational areas to implement grants, advocacy and research initiatives, and gifts-in-kind projects. To scale our programs for greater impact and wider reach, we will adopt approved program models, enhance digital program delivery, invest in innovation and research, strengthen monitoring and evaluation, accountability and learning. To enhance staff capacity for program effectiveness, we will advance our culture of magic, meaning, autonomy, growth, impact and connection, and diversity, equity and inclusion. We can only achieve these objectives by working with other like-minded entities. Therefore, we will work with a diverse portfolio of partners including children, families and communities, local implementing partner organizations, government, the private sector, faith-based organizations, civil society organizations, UN agencies, multilateral and bilateral donors. In this regard, we ask you to join us on this ambitious journey to connect 2.5 million children, youth and their families with the people, resources and institutions they need to grow up healthy, educated, skilled and safe. Join us today.